Welcome everybody to another MSM RC and Hobby video, and it is comp season. Yes, comp season is here and I could not be happier. This is where we get out with our tiny trucks and we compete. We compete for points, we compete for bragging rights, and we compete for fun. And Saturday was the kickstart to the season. It was the first event and we had a great day. I want to say thank you to the host club that puts on competitive rock crawling events here in BC, in the Lower Mainland, and that is the LMRCC Scalerccrawler Competition Association. They do a tremendous job. Thanks, guys. Peter and I had a great day. It was a lot of fun. I wanted to also give a thank you to Thomas. Shout out. Thomas is one of our top competitors, and he's always eager to coach guys in the group and help out, and he does a great job coaching me up, and I really appreciate his advice, so thank you, Thomas. And big shout out to my partner. Thank you, Peter. He got some great video, shot my run in its entirety on course number 3, which was my best course of the day. So thank you, Peter. Appreciate it. This is a mixed bag of a day, but you know, we're shaking the rust off. I did well on course 1. I was doing good on course 2 till the latter part of it when everything went sideways. Course 3, I redeemed myself, and then course 4 was an absolute disaster. So, you know, that's how it goes. It's up, it's down, it is what it is. I'll tell you a little bit about my comp truck. It is a Sorca Class 1 compliant truck. It is a Element Sendero, and I've done a little bit of work to it, but not a great deal. It's a really good truck, performs really well. Key features, I think, would be I have Rock Pirates shock mounts. I run DravTech shocks. I did install the XF transmission, and so I've got the motor facing forward. SSD brass knuckles, and I run BFG tires by Proline on Boom Racing wheels. For electronics, it is brushed. I run a 1080 ESC, and of course paired to my GT5 FlySky radio. It's a great truck. It performs really well. I've got a lot of the bugs worked out of it. So this video here, just wanted to show all of our followers what a day out at the Rock Den kind of looks like. It's a kind of a short video, but we got, like I say, my one run in its entirety, and give you guys an idea what the Rock Den looks like, what some of the guys that we compete with, what their trucks look like. And please shoot us a comment if you rock crawl, if you're a comp guy or gal. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know what kind of rig you compete with. And again, thank you very much for watching our videos. I'm always pleased that our subscriber count is growing a little bit at a time, so thank you. And if you enjoy this video, please like, please subscribe, and most of all, please enjoy. And we will catch you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.